Hello everyone, it's me Sanika and welcome back to our channel SS Easy Education Learn with Us. And today we're going to solve Math Chapter 1 Exercise 1.6. But today this is the part 1 of this chapter. We will show part 2 in some days after, very soon. So stay tuned for part 2. In this video, we are going to just do the MCQs. That means from 1 to 11 number exercise. So let's start everybody. So open the page of the exercise and let's start number 1. So as you can see, I did it like this. So how many prime numbers are there from 28 to 40? There are 3 prime numbers from 28 to 40. So let's do number 2. Number 2 is, which of the following pairs are co-prime? It is 22 and 27. I didn't do any rough, but if you need to do rough, then you can do it in another rough copy. So now it's number 3. Number 3 is, what is the HCF of 12, 18 and 48? So the HCF of 12, 18 and 48 is number 6. That means number B. The next question is, in the mathematical sentence 0.01 multiplied by 0.002 multiplied by dash equal to 0.00000006. Which number should be in the box? Then it will be 0.03. If you are not sure, you can go and check in calculator or somewhere that you have done or somewhere the answer is. Okay everyone? So now number 4. How many digits are used as enumeration? Enumeration means you have to count. How many digits are used for counting? There are 10 digits. That is 0 to 9. We know that, don't we? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So these numbers are used as enumeration. Okay everyone? Next is number 6. It is in one digit natural numbers. There are 4 prime. Number 1, 4 prime numbers. Number 2, 4 composite numbers. Number 3, 5 odd numbers. Next it is written which of them are correct, because the answer is 1, 2 and 3. But the main option should be 4 options. So it will be 1, 2 and 3. I didn't do the rough, but if you need to do the rough, then you can do it by yourself in your rough copy. Okay everyone? Now let's move on to number 7. It is written that the number 6435 is divisible by number 1, 3, number 2, 5, number 3, 9. And which of the following is correct? The answer is 1, 2 and 3. But for making you sure, I will do the rough. So this is the rough. We know how to find out the divisible by 3. That is, the number is divisible by 3 and 9. It is if the summation of the given number is divisible by 3 and 9, then the number is also divisible by 3 and 9. That means if the summation of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. And if the summation of the number is divisible by 9, the number is also divisible by 9. Now let's see. Now we know how we can find out the divisible by 5. If the last number of the whole number is divisible by 5, then the whole number is divisible by 5. Now let's move on to the next number. Okay everyone? So now let's move on to number 8. But here we have a figure and we have to watch the figure carefully and then answer number 8 and 9. So in the figure it is written 24 and 32. And number 8 is, which is the multiple of the greatest number in the picture? That means any of them can be the multiple of 32 number, because in the figure it is the greatest number. So we know that 32 and 32 both can go back. So 32 is the 32 ones are 32. We are not sure. We cannot do the other ones because 32 zeros are 0, 32 ones are 32. Now, so we are sure that the multiple of number 32 is 32. Okay, everyone? Now let's move on to number 9. It is said that what is the HCF of the two numbers in the picture? The HCF of 24 and 32 is 8. But I don't need to do the rough because I'm sure that it is 8. But if you need to do the rough, you can do it. Let me share you why did I say 8. Because 8 threes are 24. So 8 is also a factor of 24. And 8 fours are 32. So 8 is also the factor of 32. And 8 is the HCF. And I'm sure of it. So now let's move on to number 10. So it is written, answer the question number 10 and 11 by the following figure. So it is a square and it is divided by many rectangles. The first one is a counting one. It is into how many rectangles is the square divided? 1, 4, 6 or 24. Now look, the answer is 24. We don't have to count because one rectangle is impossible to fill this big square because we can see so many rectangles. 4 rectangles, no, we can count more than 4 rectangles, and we can also count more than 6 rectangles over here. So we are sure that there are 24 rectangles in here. Now let's move on to number 11. In number 11, it is said that how much part of the square is every rectangle? Number A, 1 by 4. Number B, 1 by 6. Number C, 1 by 8. Number D, 1 by 24. So the answer is 1 by 24 because we know there are 24 rectangles in the square. So 1 by 24. So it's super duper easy. You don't have to even count or do any rough. So as you can see, that math is so easy. That's why it is my favorite subject. There are so many fun things to do in maths and I love solving. So I hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit the bell icon so you guys are the first one to watch our newly posted videos like this. And share this video with your family, friends and relatives. And also for part 2, stay tuned everyone. And also subscribe and like and share. We prepare all of the best subjects and also the important subjects. And as you can see, we show you guys the easiest method for doing the math. So why aren't you subscribing yet? Subscribe and enjoy our videos. Subscribing will really help the channel, and if you subscribe, you won't miss any awesome videos like this video. Subscribing will really help the channel. Thanks guys, bye. See you in next video and stay tuned for part 2. Okay guys, bye.